Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best yoga mats to take your practice to the next level. Whether you need extra grip, cushion, or eco-friendly options, we've got you covered. Stick around as we review the top picks for every yogi out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Number 1. Gaiam Essentials Thick Fitness and Exercise Yoga Mat. Thick yoga mats can be a bit challenging for balance exercises, but they're perfect for practices like yin and restorative yoga, where you spend extended periods on your knees or elbows. They're also great for other floor-based home workouts, such as sit-ups and crunches. The Gaiam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat stands out for its extra padding, making it a fantastic option for anyone who has experienced discomfort in their knees or hip bones with thinner mats. However, this thickness does have some trade-offs. The added cushioning can make it harder to maintain stability during balance poses like Eagle or Warrior 3. Additionally, when rolled up, the mat is noticeably bulkier than standard options, with a rolled diameter of about 5 to 8 inches, even with the included straps. To prolong the mat's lifespan, keep it clean, as sweat and oils can compress the foam over time. Despite its thickness, the non-slip surface ensures smooth transitions between poses and a secure grip for holding positions. Available in 9 colors, the mat also comes with a convenient carrier strap for easy transport. Pros: extra cushioning for joints, included carrying strap, works as a general exercise mat, comes in multiple colors. Cons: not good for balance poses. Number 2. Retrospect Solana 1-inch Yoga Mat. The Retrospect Solana 1-inch Yoga Mat is an ideal choice for those seeking extra cushioning, especially for individuals with joint pain or injuries. For those with bad knees, this mat is a game changer, offering nearly 4 times the thickness of a standard 6mm mat. There's also a half-inch version for those who prefer something in between. While thicker mats can sometimes reduce stability, most users haven't experienced any major issues with the Solana. Made from dense foam and non-slip rubber, it features a ribbed surface on one side and a smooth surface on the other. The mat is free from latex, heavy metals, and harsh chemicals, and comes with a convenient carrying strap. However, some testers have raised concerns about its durability, noting that it can be a bit stretchy and prone to rips. Still, considering its affordable price, many feel the trade-off is worth it. The additional thickness results in a bulkier mat when rolled up, which can make it impractical for travel. One reviewer even found it awkward to bring to yoga class due to its size. For those needing a more portable option, the half-inch version provides a good balance of cushion and portability, but if you're looking for an at-home mat that offers significant joint protection, the Solana 1-inch is an excellent choice. Number 3. Gaiam 6mm Print Extra Thick Non-Slip Yoga Mat. The Gaiam 6mm Yoga Mat is an excellent choice for beginners, offering great value at an affordable price point of around $30. With its standard thickness and lightweight design, it provides just the right amount of cushioning for yoga and fitness routines. Plus, it comes in a variety of fun and stylish designs, ranging from bold patterns to sleek, modern aesthetics. This mat is slightly smaller in both length and width compared to most others, which might not be ideal for taller users or those who prefer extra space. However, for those starting their yoga journey or practicing on a budget, it's a fantastic option. Like many budget-friendly mats, durability can be an issue. Over time, you might notice some shedding, particularly in areas where your hands and feet frequently press. Since it's a single-layer mat, you can extend its lifespan by alternating between sides if wear becomes visible. For casual practitioners or those practicing a couple of times a week, this mat is more than sufficient. However, if you plan to practice frequently, investing in a higher-end mat might be worth considering. Overall, the Gaiam 6mm strikes a balance between comfort, style, and affordability, making it a reliable choice for beginners. Number 4. Manduka Pro 6mm Ultradense Yoga Mat. The Manduka Pro Yoga Mat provides exceptional cushion and support for all levels of practice. This 6.5mm mat is versatile, having been used for everything from complex arm and head balances to mobility exercises during injury recovery. It's even trusted by a yoga therapist who uses it for cancer patients, providing joint support and stability for balancing postures. This mat is highly regarded for its reliability and ability to offer a solid foundation. Whether for athletic practice or therapeutic purposes, the textured surface ensures excellent traction, allowing you to focus on your poses. like Parivrtta Trikonasana, twisted triangle, without worrying about slipping. The Pro is built to last for decades. One user has had theirs for 20 years, and it still looks as good as new. Whether you're practicing rigorous daily flows, recovering from an injury, or exploring inward-focused yin yoga, this mat adapts to your needs, offering subtle yet dependable support. The Manduka Pro is a mat that can guide you through every stage of your practice, making it a worthy investment for a transformative journey. Pros: firm padding, supportive cushion for joints, long-lasting with a lifetime warranty. Cons: more slick when wet. Number 5. Liforme Original for 2mm Non-Slip Yoga Mat. Are you a yogi on the move, looking for a mat that's easy to carry across town, the country, or even around the world? While the Liforme Original may not be as light as some travel mats, which can feel more like a thin sheet of cardboard, it strikes a great balance in terms of weight and performance. It's sturdy enough to withstand travel but light enough to carry comfortably across town or on a bike. One of our testers even took it on an international flight, and it fit easily in the overhead bin without crimping or wrinkling. Plus, it comes with a protective, fully zippered bag for added convenience. A standout feature of this mat is the Align For Me markers printed on the surface, offering a visual guide to help with mindful alignment during practice. With 4.2 mm of cushioning, it provides a perfect balance of comfort, grip, and firmness, allowing you to stay grounded without sacrificing support. Ideal for both home use and travel, the Liforme Original's well-rounded performance makes it a fantastic choice. With its unique alignment markers and gecko-like grip, it can support a deeper awareness of proprioception and posture, wherever your practice takes you.